Join the 12 Days of Christmas stuffed into 8 crazy days beginner hand sewing challenge. Perfect for kids ages 6 and up. Click the link to join. Hey SewKids, happy holidays! I just wanted to pop in and let you know that next week I am hosting a beginner hand sewing challenge for kids ages 6 and up. It's called the 12 Days of Christmas stuffed into 8 crazy days. It's going to be full of fun activities. Check out the link in the description and come follow along with me. So here, this is the registration page for SewKids Academy. And we have the challenge here, the 12 Days of Christmas stuffed into 8 crazy days, the beginner hand sewing challenge. So this is a mini course for beginners, and it will guide your child through the fundamentals of hand sewing and have them creating a holiday project in no time. Go ahead and click the Join Challenge button to register. So if learning how to sew is on your child's wish list, say no more. For 8 days starting December 14th, your child will have access to a mini course for beginners that guides them through the various basic hand stitches and techniques. The lesson will be accompanied by video tutorials, project challenges, and include patterns to get them started with sewing. Don't miss this opportunity for learning. The challenge includes access to online hand sewing for beginners mini course, 8 days guided sewing activities, access to SewKids Club Facebook community, Zoom meetups for support, and mini challenges and giveaways. Worried that you might be too busy? No worries. Once your child is signed up, they can follow along with the group or at their own pace. You will have continued access to the course materials and the Facebook group for support. So join the challenge and keep the kids engaged this holiday season. I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye. Join the 12 Days of Christmas stuffed into 8 crazy days beginner hand sewing challenge. Perfect for kids ages 6 and up. Click the link to join.